Welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West, reaching you live and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on this channel, this is the place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstitions, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I would like to talk about this product. This is an ointment that is called Arouna Oil. It is a very important component that is used in African spirituality. And today I would like to talk about it. Uh, this is an oil that is very, very important and also popular as well. Just like the Bint El Sudan perfume I previously talked about. This is something like that. And it is something that is very, very common if you are in West Africa, you are into African spirituality, then you should know about this Arouna oil. It is used for a variety of works and it actually works very well. So that is why I decided to bring it in this channel and to recommend it to people that we like to use it. The oil, according to the origin, it is prepared in Saudi Arabia and it is non-alcoholic. Apart from that, I don't really know the other components, but I believe it is plant-based extracts. It has a very, very nice pagan smell, very unique smell. That ancient African Arabian desert smell. That is what is going to get with this. And it has a very, very high vibration. When you rub this oil on you, you smell it. It has a distinct smell that immediately changes the environment. It elevates the vibration and changes the environment. And it is used for a variety of works. Mostly people use it, once again, you can use it to anoint your candles. You can use it to clean objects, to purify objects of negative vibrations. That is what people usually use it for. People use it to summon spirits, especially good spirits, celestial entities or deities. They kind of love this smell. So they normally use it to summon good spirits, spirits that are in line with the light, with the celestial forces, as in angels, as in ancestors, many good positive spirits, elemental spirits. They like this smell. They love this ointment, and you can use it for them. You can use it to call them. You can also give it as an offering to them. So this is one oil that you will love to have. It is very, very important. If you can get it, you should get it because it actually works. And I have been experimenting on it, and I have discovered some secret things that you can actually do with this that is not listed among the things you can do. You can do a lot of work with this oil, a lot of work. You can use this oil for uncrossing as well. Uncrossing is a phenomenon or a situation we have in spirituality whereby people feel that they have been attacked or by negative or oppressive energy, or they just got stuck in a situation whereby things are not flowing the way it should go in their life, in their physical, spiritual life. Everything is getting stuck, or they are feeling like cluttered. You know, the situation of when you have a lot of clutter in your house, things are not in place, everything is out of place, and you want to get things back in position. You want things to be the way they are before, or you want things to be flowing. You want ventilation, or free flowing of prosperity, wealth, and favor. You want your life to be moving forward, to be dynamic instead of being stuck in a particular situation or being static. You can actually use this oil to cleanse your house. What you will do is that you will take some drops or maybe like a teaspoon, you mix it with salt water or sea water, then you use it to clean your house or you sprinkle it around your house. You open the windows so you can call in to attract good vibrations. That is what it does. It attracts good vibrations, it elevates the frequency of the particular place and attracting good frequencies, good vibrations. So you can use it for uncrossing. If you feel you hex or something like that, you can use it. I also discovered that it works well with your dreams. It purifies your arrow. When you use it to rub before you go out, you use it to rub your hair. One other thing I have discovered with this oil is that it is also good for clearing your dreams. If you are somebody that do not easily remember your dreams, you don't remember your dreams, or you can't sleep well, you're having difficulty sleeping in the night, this oil can help you. What you do is that you just rub it or you use it to take your bath. What I did was that I put some drops of the oil in the water and I applied seawater to it. You can use salt water or seawater. Put salt in the water, becomes salt water. With the oil, and I use it to bath, and the dream was very, very clear. My dreams were much more. It was like I was in a movie. I slept very well, and I could dream, and it was like I was going into different phrases, into different dreams. I even saw myself in other people's dream, and they could actually have conversations with me and they can tell me what was in their mind. It was like they were actually telling me what they were actually thinking about the kind of problems that they are having in the dream world. So since I started experimenting with the oil, I have discovered that my dreams are very, very clear. And I can actually see and do much more things and I can actually recall most of them. So if you are into sort of dream work or you're having difficulty sleeping, I believe this oil will help you a lot. Will help you. So try to get it and experiment with it. Then for the cleansing aspect, it is very good to clean your arrow. If you feeling maybe your arrow is not right enough, you are feeling a certain type of way, depression or anxiety, honesty, this oil can actually calm you down. You need to be using it on a regular or using it to add to your bathing water. It kind of creates a very good positive vibration around you, around the arrow of the person that will make people want to be around you. It kind of attracts people to you and it kind of open up people to you to be interested in you and to have the best intentions for you. This oil does that. So it's a very good oil if you are looking for favor, people to be nice to you, and you just want to actually feel good about yourself, put yourself in the right mood. This can help with that, this Arouna oil. So I have come to discover these properties with the oil that it is very good for dream work. It is good for increasing your vibration. It is good for cleaning your house, for cleaning your life, uncluttering and uncrossing. It is very good. You can also use it if you are in veneration of the ancestors or invocation of angels of celestial deities. It is a very, very good ointment that you can use. You use it to dress your candles, you apply it as a perfume to your house, to your altar, or simply as an offering. It's a very, very good oil. So it is something that you should look into. Why stuff like this are good in spirituality? We have some certain compounds or natural materials that have certain qualities, certain energetic qualities that they carry with them. That if you want to bring those kind of qualities or attributes, you want to bring them out, or you want to attain them or attune to them, you can just apply them very easily. So this is one of those kind of materials or substance that is needed, that you can use to enhance your spiritual work, make things easier for you, make your spirituality become more pronounced or more effective. So this is something that is very, very important, to make things easy for you, instead of going through a long process of maybe meditating or doing some kind of root work. You can just apply this ointment and you get there very, very fast. You just apply it to a spell and you get result very fast, or you're on the go, you're always busy, you don't have time to do much spell work. You just apply this oil, you just use it as a regular perfume, and you are on your way to wherever you are going. So that is why things like this are very, very necessary and very good things to put in your arsenal. Something you can use when you want to travel to certain places. You cannot set up an altar, you cannot actually do deep meditation. You can go with this. Maybe you're going to a party, you're a very social person. This is very, very important for you in your line of work, in your business. You can use this for your business, to get more clients, to get more customers, or just to get more friends, or just to feel great about yourself. So this oil is very, very nice for those kind of things. The name is Arouna Oil. You can Google it online. You can check it. It's very popular. It's very popular in West Africa, and it's very, very powerful. I have attested to it, and I want you guys to try it out and uh, find out the things that you can be able to do with this stuff, because I really love it, and I have been using it, and I think it's now part of my arsenal for now. So I want you guys to check it out and tell me what you think about it. It's very easy to get, and it's not expensive. So in West Africa, this is not more than €2, but online it's a bit expensive. You can actually tell your friends to come into Africa to get a bottle for you, or you can order it online. It's something that is worth looking into or researching into. Is have a lot of applications that I believe have not been discovered yet. So for now, I'm just using it for dream walks and for cleansing and on crossing. That is what I'm focusing on this for, especially for the dream walk. I am doing the research on it. So I want you guys to check it out and tell me what you think about it. Okay, I think it's very good. So this is what I have for you today, and questions comments are welcome. Please like and share the video. Once again, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and so I can get my latest videos. I will like to know about your comments, what you think, and things that you would like me to be talking about as time goes on, so we can make this channel much more interactive and much more interesting. So I'm here for you guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. So take care and bye.